Welcome back. I'm Jimmy of jdflutes. Thank you so much for stopping by. This one here is a customer's flute, of course. I did him a custom drone. He wanted a custom drone. And folks, this one here, let me tell you, now this one here is a large bore bass C flute tuned to 432 hertz. A large bore. And the wood has not been split. The flutes have not been split. They have been bored out using a gun drill. This is a 1 1/4 inch bore. It has been produced with cherry wood. Cherry is a very hard wood. This customer wanted my hawk fetishes with turquoise eyes. Very beautiful piece of wood, folks. It's also a 9-hole, if I didn't mention it. It's a 9-hole. You can move the leather to make it sound whatever sound you would like. And on the bottom of this one here, he wanted my eagle design, but I feel like this here could be a hawk or an eagle. Either one. That's just my opinion now. You know. Beautiful. Very good detail. Feel like it could be a hawk or an eagle. It's a big flute, folks. Big. On the bottom, jdflutes bass C 432 hertz. You can see it. Made it very easy on the mouth for him. He won't have any problems getting both of those holes in his mouth. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Even on the bottom, that wood is very nice. It took something to make this one, folks. Good gracious. Boring these holes out, this large bore, it took something to make this one with this hard wood. Hope you enjoy it, buddy. God, this one was a tough one. Tried to whip my butt, but I got it. I showed it who was boss. But I'm going to do a very short sound sample. First, I'm going to take and cover up the holes with the leather. All you got to do is slide it up. If you can see it, I'm just sliding it up. See, I covered up all the holes. To me, this is the easiest way to play this flute. You have to practice with the other way. Very short sound sample. Isn't that a beautiful voice? Really deep, soft, and calming voice. one piece of the leather. You have to practice with that one piece of leather. Play both holes. You have to practice with that one. To me, that's the hardest hole to play. Alright, I'm going to remove 2 pieces of the leather. Play both sides at once. Play around with it to see what you like, but you can play it many different ways. I'm going to slide up the last piece of leather where you have all 9 holes open. Okay. lot of breath too. But I hope you like it, buddy. But if anyone would like to have one of these large bore bass C flutes, I make them in 528 Hz, 440 Hz, and also 432 Hz with the large bore. And like I said, you can play these 9-hole flutes many different ways. You just have to figure out what way sounds the best for you. And also I have some more that's on sale. And I'll leave the link below of the flutes that I have in stock. And I'll ship them out right away just as soon as the payment clears. And I'll ship them out right away. And right now I'm offering free worldwide shipping. And I don't know how much longer I'll be continuing to do that because it's getting very costly. It's costing anywhere sometimes up to $75 just to ship a flute and a drone, and that's very costly on me, so you better go ahead and get these flutes, folks, while it's free worldwide shipping. And thank you so much for everything you do for me. I wouldn't live if it wasn't for you, and I want to continue to thank the Lord for giving me this knowledge. I won't be here if it wasn't for Him. Thank you so much, folks, for everything you do. Have a good one.